Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Weekend Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the investing.com application for your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you will need to know that there is no application for the PC version on investing.com, but you can still use the web browser version or install the Android app by using an emulator such as BlueStacks. You can just go to bluestacks.com and install the emulator, and once you have it installed, you can open it and proceed with searching for it on the Play Store to install it right away. But an easier method would simply be to open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type investing.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the investing.com official website. Now, you can log into your account if you wish to do so. However, you can also proceed forward without logging in. Just click on the three dots at the top right corner of your web browser and you will see the apps option. Once you hover over apps, you will see install this site as an app. Click on this option and you will be able to edit the name as well as the app icon for investing.com. If you're on Chrome browser, then from the three dots menu, just hover over to save and share and click on the same option which says install this site as an app or create shortcut. After naming your application and editing the icon, click on the install button and now this will open up the investing.com application in its own separate browser window. Make sure to select create desktop shortcut and click on the allow button, and now this will create an application shortcut for investing.com on your desktop right away. You can then simply double click on this to start using investing.com as an application on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the investing.com app on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.